Hey guys, today we will review KEELAT 6-inch mini chainsaw battery electric cordless chainsaw. This chainsaw is very affordable and lightweight, best for smaller branches and garden work, but not heavy logging. It is not too hard to assemble the chainsaw. A compact, lightweight 6-inch cordless chainsaw designed for home gardeners, trimming and pruning chores, and quick branch cutting with battery power. You can add lubricating oil to enhance performance and life of the chainsaw. We are using 2T oil. KEELAT runs on cordless battery-powered Makita MT mount battery. The rechargeable lithium battery has a 30 to 90 minutes runtime depending on capacity. KEELAT 6-inch chainsaws are not heavy-duty tools. They're fine for garden pruning and light woodcutting, but can struggle a bit with thicker hardwood and heavy logs. Better middle ground if you want more cutting capacity without a major tool investment. Now let's put the tool to field use. Take note, I'm only using one hand on the chainsaw. As you can see, there is no problem a 6 inches KEELAT to handle a small log. It cuts through perfectly without any complications. This chainsaw perfect for home gardeners, trimming and pruning chores, and quick branch cutting with battery power without the hassle of petrol or diesel.